In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new payment method in your Shopify store using Google. Whether you're new to Shopify or simply looking to expand your payment options, we've got you covered. The goal here is to seamlessly integrate this payment method, and in this instance, we'll be focusing on adding Wise to your platform. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you're going to want to navigate to the Shopify website. This is the main hub for all your e-commerce operations and where you'll be making these adjustments. Once there, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, just enter your credentials and you will have access to your Shopify admin dashboard. This dashboard is your central location for managing everything related to your online store, from products and orders to various administrative settings. Once you're comfortably in your Shopify admin, look for the settings option. You can usually find this at the lower part of your left-hand navigation bar. Clicking on settings will bring up several options, all focused on different aspects of your store's configuration. For this tutorial, we're interested in the Payments tab. You'll see it clearly labeled, making it easy to identify and select. When in the Payments section, you'll notice your current payment methods listed there. To add a new method, look for and click on Add Payment Method. This will open up a menu where you can search for additional payment options. Here you want to type Wise into the search bar. Wise is a popular choice, known for its low transaction fees and hassle-free international money transfers. It's a great addition if you're looking to offer more flexibility and cost efficiency in your store's payment options. However, keep in mind that if Wise doesn't appear in your search results, it might not be available for Shopify stores in your particular country or region. If this happens, don't worry, you're not out of options just yet. Shopify allows you the versatile option to manually add a payment. Simply click Add Manual Payment and enter your Wise account details here. It's a straightforward process, and Shopify guides you through it step by step. Once you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to double-check everything. Ensuring your details are correct will help avoid any potential payment issues down the line. After you've confirmed all the inputted data, you're all set. Your Shopify store is now equipped with a newly added payment method ready to accept additional transactions. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've broadened your store's payment capabilities. This should make it easier for your customers to complete their purchases no matter where in the world they're buying from. Thanks for watching and happy selling.